Today, I am going to be living my slime fantasy. This is crazy. We're going to be mixing every single slime together to make one giant slime. Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. We are taking slime to the next level. I have always loved slime, okay? I'm a slime girl, I can't help it. Around 4 years ago, I did a video where I made slime from dollar store products, and then I did a video where I reviewed Wish slime, which by the way got recalled like this year, and I bought it back in 2017, so I'm like, what? Okay, I thought I'd put it in. This is the email that I got. As you can see, I bought it October 20th, 2017. I just got this email like a few months ago. And at the bottom it says, Wish values its customers and their safety. Please immediately discontinue the use of this product. 2017? I've been playing with this. What's gonna happen to me? And I just recently did a slime video over on my second channel where I reviewed some of the most popular slime shops, kind of to feel the waters to see if this video could be done. And you guys seem to really like it over there. So we're taking it up a notch for the main channel. We're taking heavy inspiration from the queen of mixing things together, Sophia, here on YouTube. I swear she's mixed everything under the sun together, except for slime. Today we are gonna be mixing every slime together. No, let me adjust that. Every Snoop slime, which is a brand. No, let me adjust that again. Every Snoop slime from the restock on Friday. There's like so many pages of slimes, but at any given time, they won't all be restocked. You have to wait for the Friday restock. So I could only get my hands on 28. Also, we're gonna be giving away all the slime we mix up. So if you're interested in getting some, but yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video to see how to enter for that.
Let's look at the slime.
Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Just gonna keep pulling them out, pulling them out. What? What? A little Santa. I wonder what that's for. Oh my goodness, this feels like a lot of slime. I mean, I guess that's the whole point. I wonder what they thought when they received this order, honestly. Oh my gosh, look at all those slimes. All right, I'm gonna divide and conquer. Okay, first we're organizing the slime by color groups. If unboxing that is any indicator of how good it's gonna smell in this room, I am so excited. These all smell amazing and they're in their packages still. Turns out we have 5 brown/tan, 2 green,
2 orange,
3 purple, 6 pink, and 4 blue. Now one of the purples is actually half pink, half purple, but I decided to favor the purple team because there was less, and there are a lot of pink slimes. So this half purple and pink is in the purple group. All right, now I will be tackling the painstaking task of putting all these slimes together. I know it's gonna be hard, and I'll probably wanna give up halfway through. I'm totally joking. This is literally the best day of my life. I'm so happy to be doing this right now. I am so excited. One by one, I'm gonna get them to their aesthetic form, which is basically the form right before you would actually squish them down into like slime. Berries and cream, let's do it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It smells so good. Based on this photo, the aesthetic one of this has to have the jam layered in it. So I'm gonna do that. So I do have to take it out. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. Oh my gosh, why is this slime so sticky? Where's my activator? This is not off to a good start.
Mom, I desperately need you.
I'm having a slime problem. What's happening to you? Okay. That was scary. Oh my gosh, all right, the first one is done. Okay, this one's actually kind of going from white to pink. It's not sticky anymore, so that's good. Now we just have to do that with every single one of them. Okay, I don't know why that first one was giving me so much trouble. I swear the ones following it were so good and easy. I guess it's just if it's activated enough or not. And it just so happened to be the first one was problematic. Whenever I play with slime, I realize how many different consistencies of slime there are. There's so many nice ones, and I just love how they look and in their aesthetic form. There's something so satisfying about it. This one's really fun. Listen to this. so chunky. I want to show you guys some of the charm honorable mentions. This little cow. This boba tea was so cute. The lollipops in these. The honeycomb one was honestly an MVP because it also had this. Oh my goodness, this one smells amazing. And all the different smells, there's such a wide variety. There's like a cake smell, fruit smell, toasted fireside, and they all smell so good. And then I wanted to invite my mom in on the fun.
You're having so much fun up here. Oh, how fun is that? Okay.
Yes, I picked a really fun one for you.
Oh, it's a Rice Krispie. Okay, got you. I have to smell everything.
Oh, that looks good.
Thank you. Yay! That does look good. Okay, so you're supposed to make them and then squish them. Yes!
I kind of understand now when people say I'm playing with the slime unsatisfying. Because like I feel like I'm experiencing it right now. I'm watching it and I'm like... Okay, can I just say that the first one I did was terrible? I've done quite a few now and I want to show you that I can do this. So let me try and be professional. There's so many fun, cute things to put on. Look at that. And there we go, just like that. That was like record time. Squishing these is probably the most fun. The little foods on top, like that is fun. I can put a slime together without ruining it. We're gonna forget about that first one, okay? I set aside 3 slimes to try to do a little aesthetic ASMR for you, so please enjoy. You guys know I used to do a little bit of ASMR, and it was so fun. If you like ASMR, let me know down below, because I would love to start doing those videos again. But for now, slime. At some slime ASMR. We're gonna get loud again. So if you have earbuds in, you might want to turn down a little bit because it's about to get loud. Now making these look aesthetic in their true form is honestly really difficult. I was starting to get the knack of it at the end. They were starting to look more like the product photos, but I gotta say, there's a technique to it to make these slimes look so cute in the photos. Oh my gosh, wow. This one might be my favorite smell. It's just so fun. Like, I literally could do this all day. I mean, I am doing it all day, but like I could do it all day for a week. I love the many different consistencies of slime. We have these gooey, clicky slimes, these chunky, crunchy slimes. My personal favorite, I really don't know what this is called, but it's when it's like frothy like this. Probably not the right descriptive word, but like look at this, how it falls like this. It looks like a cloud. Okay, my wrists are actually tired. I don't even want to admit it, but they are. It's the carpal tunnel, okay? But here are all the slimes all mixed up, and then here is all of the overflow. We're gonna put that all mixed together with it. It just wouldn't fit back into the containers. Okay, but I'll be back in a millisecond for you, but it'll be tomorrow for me to mix all of these together and see what color it's gonna be. Okay, it's mixing day. It's time. I don't exactly know how this is gonna go because I have heard that different consistencies of slimes don't mend together very well. So we might run into some issues because we have some chunky slime, some cloud slimes, some more like stringy slime. So this should be interesting. I have borax standing by. Does anyone want to take any bets on the colors? I have some color options. Comment down below which one you think it's gonna be. I think it's gonna be almost like a burgundy color. I don't know why. I'm just gonna set it in like this. 1 slime, 2 slime, 3 slime. Oh, this one's fun. 4 slime, 5 slime. Now these are all different consistencies. Like you can see the different consistencies there. We have more of like a goopy, chunky, like they're all different. Like how is this gonna mix? And this is just the pink. We're not even done it yet. This was the one that gave me trouble yesterday. Get in there, you. 8, 9. That one smells really good. The mango one. 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm having way too much fun. 14, and all of the smells, it smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. It all rose to the top. Fun. I feel like we're making like a 7-layer dip right now. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh, so good. Like these ones are my favorite. Oh, they just feel so nice. Like nothing like it. It literally looks like I'm making some sort of weird dip of Play-Doh. Okay, but now I have those. I have all of the extras that I have to put in. This was like the overfill, so I'm gonna put all that in now. This has been the one that gave us trouble first, and it just continues to give us trouble. Now we have all of these charms to put on. So I'm literally gonna sprinkle like all of these on here. This is what happens when you become an adult. You can do whatever the heck you want. So I basically just saved a few of everything, so I'm just gonna start sprinkling them all on. I'm hoping this looks cute at the end. Okay, and now I'm gonna put all the big charms. So like this little lemon, this lollipop from earlier. This is so fun, stop. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute! Are you kidding me? I don't want to mix it. I want to just leave it like this. I'm about to do the big mix. Oh my gosh! It smells so good. I didn't even think of that. The smells are all gonna mix. Gotta dive in there. Oh my gosh, it's momentous. Look how cute it looks. Do you have any color guesses?
I think it's gonna be a shade of brown because usually all colors mixed together make brown.
I guess burgundy.
Okay.
Look how pretty it looks.
It's really pretty.
It's like, look at that. That's pretty. That's early 2000s realness. It's almost one of those if you stopped halfway through, it'd be cute. Like, look at this. Look at that.
That is cool. It's unicorn.
It's unicorn. Look at that. That's pretty.
It reminds me of an octopus.
It's beautiful. What the heck? And then they take it off and they...
Yeah, and they stretch it.
That's
oh
okay.
yeah, Mia, you're doing it.
Slime fantasy.
Yeah, it's gonna end up being a nice color after all.
Do you like when I go like this?
Yeah, a real slime professional.
Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna keep mixing it for like 5 minutes just to make sure that it's all mixed together. But the color is looking very like bubblegummy purple. Here is what the giant slime looks like. If I was to describe the smell, it's very good. It's definitely a good smell. I'm smelling a lot of the toasted marshmallow and the fruity pebbles. I don't know why, those two are like really sticking out. I feel like those two mixed is what the slime smells like. As per the color, I am very, very happy with it. It's kind of like a dusty purpley pink with so many different sprinkles and charms in it. There is one thing that I have to do by law, and that is do a big slime ASMR right now. Introducing the new and improved big slime ASMR. I love my slime. Now, as much as I would love to keep this giant ball of slime, I think it would be better suited in a giveaway for you guys. There's probably a lot of you who absolutely do not want this slime after me touching it, and fair enough. Don't enter. Enter at your own risk. I have touched it a lot. But if you are not bothered by the fact that I've been touching this slime and mixing a bunch of them together, I will leave a giveaway entry form down below. I actually bought a bunch of little slime containers, and I even photoshopped this little label so that this slime could be called Maple's Mischief. Because let's be honest, we got up to some mischief today with this. So yeah, if you are interested in having a chance to win some of this slime, make sure to enter that giveaway. I am so pleased with the color, the smell, the texture. It came together perfectly, and you can really tell the Snoop slime is very high quality slime. Obviously not sponsored, I bought this all with my own money, but this is quality slime. Love it. Well, we came, we saw, we wanted to mix a bunch of slime. We did, we conquered. And here it is. My favorite part of the video is just getting the slime to the aesthetic form. Truly, the slimes look so beautiful. And I mean, adding the fun charms to it, it's so much fun. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!